Hi guys, it's Majesty Bianga here with the Financial Drive-Thru again, and it's a weekend. There isn't much happening in the crypto space right now. Bitcoin is still tethering around the $6,400 range. On to our first headline. Trump's new SEC commissioner means Bitcoin ETF will happen. Following the Senate's decision to approve Trump pick Roisman to be SEC commissioner, the US regulator now features a senior lineup which should overwhelmingly back a Bitcoin ETF at some point. This statement was made by an anonymous character on Medium under the name of Atlas Shrugged Characters John Galt. The anonymous writer went on to say that the effect it will have on the perceived legitimacy of the market, on bringing in institutional money, and ultimately on the price of Bitcoin will be staggering. Now, Roisman has already signaled his desire to focus regulatory attention on cryptocurrencies' fair treatment. And speaking at the Senate Bank Committee hearing in July, he specifically outlined ICOs and generic blockchain offerings as requiring attention. He had said that it was essential that the SEC approach these new challenges in a fair and transparent manner, providing clarity and certainty to the market and investors, and enforce the laws and regulations that hold the market's participants accountable. Now, normally this is what I would consider very good news and something people should be excited about. But given the fact that the writer is anonymous, I have to exercise caution and advise on caution with everybody who's going to pick up on this and get too excited. Because the internet is just going to feel gossip. At this point, I take a lot of news in cryptocurrency as propaganda. Let's take a look at what we reported the other day. Goldman's CFO has denied reports that the firm is ditching the cryptocurrency trading desk. Here in the article, we see a tweet from Sally Shin, and he was quoted saying that he thinks one of the wonderful things about them is that they get written about a lot. He never thought he would hear himself use the term, but he has to describe the news as fake news. In an attempt to clear the air, he said Goldman is working on a Bitcoin derivative due to client demand. Now, he said that the next step is known as non-deliverable forwards, which are settled in USD and have a reference price according to the Bitcoin USD price. He also remarked that the exploration of digital assets was something that would be evolving over time. Personally, after reading through this, I just feel this is all his way of trying to manage the situation. I'm not buying any of this. And I wouldn't be surprised either way if they actually do ditch the crypto trading desk. So let me know what you think. I want to know your thoughts about what's going on with Goldman Sachs and whether or not we should allow this sway our opinion on the market. Now, when speaking about a custodial solution for Bitcoin, Chavez said Goldman does not currently see an institutional-grade custodial solution. He pointed out that the firm is interested in the idea of it existing, but admitted that it's a long road. More on ETFs, Coinbase to explore a crypto ETF and Ethereum possible future. Now, specifying nameless sources, and Business Insider always seems to specify nameless sources. Am I the only one seeing this trend? But Frank Chaparro from Business Insider stated that Coinbase has approached the world's largest global investment management firm, BlackRock Inc., for guidance on how to create an ETF, a crypto ETF for retail investors. Meanwhile, the launch of the Backed and Ethereum futures could give crypto a late-year surge or rally in terms of Bitcoin prices. And this brings us to our question of the day. I want to make this fun. What's your price prediction for Bitcoin around late November, early December? Let me know what you think in the comment section of the video. It'll be fun to see what you guys come up with. In other news, EOS and some other coins are being added to the Ledger wallet. Now, for those of you that don't know about Ledger, Ledger is a French company that provides secure hardware crypto wallets to individuals and companies. And the gist of it is that a Ledger wallet is one of the safest ways to safeguard your cryptocurrencies. The Ledger Nano S's are in stock, and you can get yours by following the link in the details section of the video. Now, in addition to EOS, Ledger now offers support for Hycon, Fick Network, Pearl, Rise, Akroma, and the Ledger-backed cryptocurrency Waves. Now, Ledger currently supports 13 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they own access to many more cryptocurrencies through third-party apps. The company hosts a Trello account where users are able to see potential new currencies and vote for those that they would like to see supported next. So I like this feature because, it gives the whole community a very engaged atmosphere. EOS had secured 178 votes at the time of writing of this article, and it is now marked in progress on the Trello roadmap. Now, the roadmap approach is one of the company's latest moves towards showing transparency. The article goes on to say that two of the biggest challenges facing cryptocurrency investors are liquidity and transferability, right? Integration and cooperation between cryptocurrencies, wallets, exchanges, banks, and the governments are essential if cryptocurrencies are ever going to be widely accepted. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section of the video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And just to round it off with some more good news for the Ledger, this isn't the last time we will hear from Ledger, as they currently have a further 8 crypto assets up for vote in August, including Particle, Ontology, OneChain, and Koala. And that brings us to the end of today's drive through. If you like this kind of content, do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button so you can catch my videos as they drop. My name is Majesty Ibiang, and I'll see you on the next drive through. Cheers.